Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download projects from Spline. If you've finished working on a three-dimensional design and want to save it to your device for backup, sharing, or future editing, Spline provides a few different export and download options depending on your project type. Let's go through the process step by step in 2026. First, sign in to Spline and open the project you want to download. Before exporting anything, make sure all your changes have been saved properly. Next, quickly review your scene. Check animations, materials, textures, and interactions to make sure everything looks the way you want before creating a downloadable version. Now locate the Export or Download menu. This is where you'll find the available formats for saving your project outside of Spline. Select the format that best matches your needs. Depending on your project and plan, you may see options for sharing, exporting assets, or downloading files for use in other applications. After choosing your preferred format, start the export process and wait for Spline to prepare the file. Larger projects may take a little longer to finish. Once the export is complete, save the file to a location that's easy to find. Creating a dedicated folder for your Spline projects can help keep everything organized. Finally, open the downloaded file and make sure everything exported correctly. This quick check can help you catch any issues before sharing or using the project elsewhere, and that's basically it. You now know how to download projects from Spline in 2026. Whether you're creating backups, sharing,